fam, what's going on? It's your girl, Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and y'all, I am finally back. I know y'all like, girl, but where have you been? Come on in here and sit down. Let's talk about it, okay? Woo! Hey y'all, what's going on? It's me. How y'all been doing? Where you been? Where I been? Let me tell y'all, I had a 21-day contract come up. And it was leave in 24 hours or you don't get it. And I was like, I'm out. Boom. And that's what happened. That's why there was no notice. I didn't get a chance to let you guys know that I wouldn't be here, even though a lot of people was asking, where you at? You okay? You all right, girl? How you doing? I was telling people, but I'm pretty sure everybody wasn't reading the comments. But anyway, them 21 days done. Anyway, let's talk about what this video gonna be about. And yes, I was trying to debate on which haul to do because out of all of the Sephora stuff that I've ordered, I still have all of my BoxyCharm, IPSY, Lux scent box, tea. I even got a Walmart box, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna do those videos, separate a bunch of them or together. Y'all give me some heads up. But anyway, on to what we're here for. Now, I'm getting ready. I'm thinking to do the Sephora haul. So while I can get it up, while everybody's still, got a chance to get the deals. But anyway, this the hair I'm to put on for that video. Yeah, I said finsta. This is Janet Collection Luscious line. It's 100% natural virgin Remy Indian hair. That's what it says. You can shampoo it, perm it, bleach it, dye it, whatever you want to. And yeah, I got this unit from Sam's Beauty before I left. And like I said, it happened so quick I had to go right then. So I figured I'd go ahead and record this video. And then I probably get the Sephora haul up first. So if you see in this wig video before that haul, no, you can go over to the channel. I'll link it up here somewhere so you guys can check out that Sephora haul. Okay, anyway, let's get into this box. This is how this girl looks. This is how she comes packaged. Her name is Khloe. Yes, and it says natural. And I peeped in this box, y'all, and I was shocked that she has no lace. I have really been getting into the no lace since the headband wigs. I even ordered another one. If y'all want to see it, thumbs up this video and let me know in the comments that y'all want to see which headband wig I got now. I will give you a hint. It's the same company that I got my first one from. I went on and bought another one because I was confident in that company. I still am. I haven't opened it yet. So up until this second unit, I really liked the first one. But we'll see. We'll see. If y'all want to see that video, let me know. But anyway, back to this Miss Khloe unit. Like I was saying, I peeked in the box and y'all, there is no lace. None. I mean, across the front, don't have to worry about cutting none. This is how it looks on the inside. Let me let y'all get a good look at the inside. There is a comb in the back, one in the back and two in the front, which I normally don't use combs, and I won't use one on this one because I pulled out my little I cannot think of what this thing is, my wig grip with the little part. So that's what I'm gonna rock with this. Y'all, my edge is going so nice. But this is how she looks in her natural state before you wet her. I think she cute, y'all. Let me pop her on real quick because I done talked enough. This is what she looks like dry. This is so natural. Oh, this is so natural. I cut off a hunk of my forehead. We gotta go back some. I'm gonna let y'all see the back. I mean, she really natural looking, meaning it's not super thick. If it looks like it's thick, it's not super thick. It just feel like my own thin hair that's been straightened. Now, the catch to her, she go wet to dry. If you wet her, that's the look you get. That super curly look. Or this one. Yeah, that's cute, but I don't want to wet it. But I guess I need to so you guys can see. Got my handy dandy spray bottle. Hang out and let's see what she gonna look like, y'all. Guys, this is what she looks like after being wet. Now, she hadn't dried, of course, y'all know that. So, I don't know what she gonna look like when she dry. But just being wet with a spray bottle, I'm sure if I put it in a sink and got her super wet and let her sit up, she would be really cute. But, you know, we on YouTube time. And y'all know, over time, I'm gonna rock her for a while so you guys can get a couple of videos, okay? And y'all can get a closer look. And you know, if you saw this video or you see her in another video, you'll know that it's after she dried. Let me let y'all see what it looks like in the back. I don't know how well I wet it up back there because I can't see. But we're gonna see what she do. It's more like a beach wave, not a super curl. I like the dry look better. I'm sure I do. I don't know why, because I don't normally like straight hair, but I like that dry look. I don't know. I just like, you know, you can wear it either way. Okay, guys, I've made this video long enough. If y'all want to check out Janet collection, the Janet wavy, wet wavy style, Luscious Khloe. It says color natural is what I have. And she does come in different colors. I just don't remember because I looked. Oh, here we go. Dark brown, and light brown. Oh, I don't know. That's a color chart. I don't know what other color she come in. But I do know that I like it because it's really, really natural looking. Okay, y'all. That's enough. That's enough. I talk. Y'all know I can go on and on for days. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all stay blessed, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. Bye, guys.